Hi everyone and welcome back. So for today's episode, I decided to make a vegetable dip. This is ultimately mine, in my opinion, and my family's favorite dip for your vegetables. So this is for your raw vegetables such as cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, peppers. So I'm going to show you how to make it. It is very easy, but we find it very delicious and we hope you do as well. So like I said, very easy. So only 3 ingredients you're going to need to make this. And the ingredients are, you're going to need some ketchup, and I just use organic ketchup, and the only reason I actually use organic ketchup is because it has a little bit less sugar than the regular one. So ketchup, some mayo, and I'm using olive oil mayo. You can use any kind of mayo you like. And just some fresh garlic, not the powdered garlic. Try and use fresh garlic for this recipe. And that's all the ingredients. So let me show you how to make it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take mayo. And here's what you want to do. You want to do 2-to-1 ratio. So 2 tablespoons mayo and 1 tablespoon ketchup, and then you can multiply to make more. So today I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of mayo and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And I'm actually going to do a little bit more dip. So I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons mayo and then 1 more tablespoon ketchup. Now, what's great about this dip is you can adjust this to your liking. So some people like to do the same amount of mayo and the same amount of ketchup. Some people like to do more ketchup, less mayo. You can adjust it to your own liking, but I prefer it this way, 2-to-1 ratio, just because I found if you add more ketchup, like if you do equal amounts of mayo and ketchup, it is a little bit too sweet for my taste. So this is how I like it to taste. So the next thing I'm going to do is take some fresh garlic. Now again, you can adjust this to your liking. We like garlic, we like it spicy. So I usually do for this amount like 3-4 cloves of garlic. If you don't want it that spicy, add less. If you can add more, it's really up to you. So you can either grate the garlic in here or you can put it through the garlic press. So I went with 5, but they're not too big. So okay, so now the last step you need to do for this is you need to mix it, and make sure you mix it really well. While you're mixing it, sometimes you'll see on the sides that you'll see some mayo or ketchup not evenly mixed. So make sure you mix this really well. And this is supposed to turn this like light pastel salmon-y color, I would say. So just make sure you mix really well. Now what's great about this dip is you can eat it right away, or you can prepare it ahead of time and leave it in the fridge. It lasts for days. So we usually like to take this dip camping with us as well, and then we eat it with the vegetables at the camp. And the dip is prepared so you have less work at camp, so you get to enjoy more. Okay everyone, so after mixing it, this is how you want it to look. So let me show you this served on a platter, and then I'll show you up close. Okay? So there are many different ways to serve up your vegetables and dip, of course. So this is one of the ways I decided to do it today. So just some celery sticks cut up, some carrot peeled and cut up, as well as some washed up cherry tomatoes. And I'm just gonna put the dip in here and serve it like this. Of course, you can serve it on one big plate. And like I said, this dip goes well with different vegetables. So you can use pepper, cucumber, cauliflower, anything that you really like. So now let's just place your dip in here. So let's say if you're having a party, this is one way to serve it up. And then of course you can put like a little spoon into this dip so people can serve some dip onto their own plate. So here's the final product. So this is a vegetable dip, and let's see up close. So this is just 2 parts mayo, 1 part ketchup with some fresh grated garlic. So this is a dip you can enjoy with your vegetables. Let me know how you liked it. And please consider subscribing. And thank you so much for watching like always. And I'll see you next time. Bye.